It's a challenge that's been set by Mel from Wildly Curious.
It involves making a tiny feather stick out of a match, setting light to it using a fire steel, and then using the match to ignite a candle. That's what we're going to do.
Can we light a candle using a matchstick feather stick? It's a great little project for your scouts, just to get them going. And well, let's have a go. All right, so there we go. I took a few attempts and it took more than one match, but we got it going. And that's the whole thing about scouting: perseverance, resilience, never giving up and giving it a go. That's all we're doing. So Scout leaders, over to you and your challenge. Can you do the same? Can you do better than me? Can you get a candle going using one match? Go on, give it a go. Try it, comment below how many times it took you to light the candle.